Our mission is simple. It's really to help our customers save time and save money. We have an all-in-one consolidated platform that covers all non-payroll spend. So think corporate cards, expense management, accounts payable, procurement, vendor management, and many more. Really designed to free up finance teams from manual work so they can focus on higher value priorities. And within our platform, it's extremely customizable, which makes it valuable for organizations that need to run lean, carefully control costs, manage complex vendor ecosystems, which makes healthcare providers, hospitals, long-term care facilities really a natural fit. Ramp is the only corporate card and finance automation platform designed to help organizations spend less and save time. Ramp will let finance teams control spend before it happens, automate tedious manual work, and ultimately close their books faster. We give real-time visibility into spend as it occurs. We can help automate bill pay and expense management, and can even help you cut costs with your vendors. Our platform reduces the administrative work and can speed up reimbursements for your staff, all while providing audit-ready reporting for compliance. We free up your time and dollars so you can focus more on patient care. From the start, our team built the product with accounting integrations in mind. We understand, your ERP is your source of truth, so we have robust integrations with the likes of NetSuite, Sage Intacct, QuickBooks, Microsoft Dynamics, Business Central, Workday, Oracle, and many more. With Ramp, policies are embedded directly into the card, so out-of-policy spend is curbed before it happens, and anomalies are flagged automatically for review. Ramp takes approvals a step further with AI and automation, so instead of just routing for approvals, Ramp can proactively approve transactions based on rules you define, such as vendor, spend, amount, or category, and AI will detect when something's off. So at the end of the day, Ramp's core focus is helping organizations run more efficiently and creating space for teams to focus on their core mission. We're one of the fastest growing companies in the US, and that growth has only been made possible because we've stayed intensely focused on listening to our customers and building around their needs. For healthcare organizations, that means giving finance teams the modern tools to control spend before it happens, to automate the manual, tedious work, and simplify vendor payments. The result is really simple. It's more time and more money to focus on patient care. Ramp offers simple, transparent cashback on every purchase, no gimmicks, no tiers, or restrictions. Our mission is simple. It's to help our customers save time and save money. Our team has built Ramp designed to free up finance teams from manual work so they can spend time on higher value priorities.